you wanna improve at chess? Because no matter what you do, your chess rating doesn't go up, or it even goes down? Well, I got you covered. In this video you are going to learn the 3 vital chess tactics that you need to stop blundering your pieces so you can increase your ELO rating and beat Magnus Carlsen in the World Chess Championship.
Wow, do you really think I can beat Magnus Carlsen?
Probably not. The forkity fork. Now let me teach you what a fork actually is.
No time to waste. Yeehaw.
The fork is a tactic where you attack 2 or more pieces using only one piece. It allows you to capture one of them on the next move. It's like you grab 2 macaroni pieces with your fork knowing that one of them is going to fall down on your chair, but the other one is surely going to go in your mouth.
Wow, that's oddly specific.
This is the most common fork you are going to see in real games.
Checkity check.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
It's most common to fork with your knight, but you will be surprised to know this, you can fork with any piece.
What? I thought forking was my special ability.
No, it's not. Other pieces like bishop or rooks can fork too. Heck, even the woman can fork.
Isn't that obvious?
It's not fair.
Even the pawn can fork, a freaking pawn. But forking with the knight is the most fun, because they move in an L shape and the fork is of 10, unpredictable.
Yay.
So shut up and watch. Now I will show you how a bishop forks.
Get fork noobs.
So you just saw how a bishop forks. He checked the king and attacked the rook simultaneously. The king had to move and then bishop took the rook.
Yeah, I am so good at this, baby.
Oh, you think you are so good, Bishop? What if I told you that I can fork too?
But that's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
This is how I fork. What's up, motherfuckers?
Bishop, you die.
No, you die.
No, you die.
See you later.
Your partner has abandoned you. See you in here.
Fuck you, Bishop.
So who else can do the forkity fork?
Anyone. Let's take a look at Rookie Boy.
Fork fork. So does that mean that you can do it too, king?
Only when my back doesn't hurt, but yes, I can fork too. This was from a game when I was much younger. You dare put me in check, pony?
Come and face me like a man.
In that case, come here. What are you going to do now?
Nice work, knight. What the f do we do now?
Can't we protect each other?
Yeah, keep thinking. I'm out.
What is it that you were saying earlier, knight?
Please don't. I will give you a free Top Chess Gang subscription.
Oh wow, that is tempting, but too bad I am already a member. Another thing you forgot, the Top Chess Gang is free.
I meant I will give you a Top Chess Army membership.
Lame out. Die now. Click now to get good at chess and make ELO go up. The pins come in all shapes and sizes, just like your mom. This is what we call a pin. This knight is pinned to the queen. This means that if the knight moves, his queen dies.
Don't you dare move.
But I'll die.
Better you than me.
So when a piece is pinned, it means that the pinned piece should never move. Oh wait, he moved. Rook take.
Meaning that you can pin to anything. A high value piece, a checkmate threat, anything. Hello there.
Don't you dare move.
No!
Checkmate.
So in this case, that bishop was pinned because once he moved, we were able to deliver checkmate.
Does that mean that bishop was pinned to a checkmate?
Yep.
Oh look, a free pawn. I'm literally right here. How is that pawn free?
Good job, stupid knight. You just lost us the game.
Checkmate, you bitch. It was a trick all along.
Last one. Let's look if any of the pieces are pinned. We notice that our rook is on the same file as his king. It means he is pinned, meaning that he is useless, so the squares he should be protecting aren't really protected. Now look at horsey. He can jump to d5, giving a check and attacking his knight that we are already attacking. He can't take back because of pin. If the king moves here, horsey can fork, and if he goes to f8, we can gobble up this queen.
Okay, but I'll just take your knight, lol.
Now you are no longer protecting the woman, so off she goes.
No!
So why are pins good overall? They can easily be missed, and when deployed, they put a lot of pressure on the enemy, so use them. GTFO.
What is GTFO?
It means get the fuck out. Oh, so this is a tactic that has a lot of names, the attraction, deflection, remove the defender and so on, but the idea is same. Getting a certain piece away from a certain square so we can do other stuffs. Sounds confusing? It can look like this. In this position, our bishop and queen combo is threatening a checkmate, but this bitch here is protecting the checkmate square, so what do we do?
GTFO.
Since he can't move anywhere, his queen now must take the rook, and she will no longer protect that square, allowing us to
checkmate.
Fuck you. Do you see a tactic here, black? If I did, I wouldn't wait for you. Oh good, because you are the main guy here actually. Really? So what do I do? Sack your rook.
What? Hell no.
Off you go, rook.
Fuck king, I'll die here.
Now rook is giving me a check and protecting the bishop at the same time, forcing me to take him, after which, we are going to get checkmated. Now do I have to teach you how to checkmate too? No, I see it, queen.
Yay, it's my turn. Thank you, Bishopy boy, you played an important role.
No thank you, my lady Ness.
Let's look at a new example. No time for chit-chatting. Did you just say shit-chatting? You won because I was showing an example, nothing else. Noob. Pawn, do an analysis.
Material is equal, our queen is under attack, but we have an epic tactic to win material.
What is it?
By taking his bishop with the rook, we are also threatening his queen, meaning that if he takes our queen, we take his queen as well, and the aftermath is we win a bishop.
And if she takes our rook?
Then we take his rook and threaten the second rook as well. Black queen is hanging already and we are simply ahead.
Thank you, Kowalski. Troops, ready.
Yes sir. Die now.
Die now, rookie boy. After the pawn kills me, we will take back and we will be up a rook. You forgot one thing, I will take your rook first.
Now we are simply up a bishop and in a winning position, all thanks to common sense and the GTFO tactic.
Where was the GTFO tactic?
Remember you were guarding the rook earlier.
Fuck.
So let's get back to the...
Won't you thank me for the analysis?
Oh yeah, thank you, pawn. I will make you my wife by cutting your thingy.
Hell no.
So yeah, those are the 3 best chess tactics you will need to stop making mistakes in your games and increase your elo. But if you really want to improve at chess, joining Top Chess Army will decrease the time it takes you to improve. We can help you gain 69 elo in your first week, and we cover everything you need to grow to 2000 elo. Chess is hard, but it's way easier to improve when you're in a community of people and get direct access to a 2100 elo chess master who can help.
I'm jumping in.
So make sure you join now. See you in the next video. Peace.